Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing us how we can upload a project on Behance. This is meant to be my first post. As you can see, I've not been using the account. I don't have any post here, that's why they're asking me to create a project. So I just decided to walk us through the process involved in making a post on Behance. So straight up, without further ado, we'll be moving down here. For your Behance post, you actually be needing two frame sizes. The first one is actually going to be your thumbnail size. That's your cover image that should appear when people see your project on, let's say, the home page or discover page. This should give them a preview of what your project is all about, and it's supposed to be catchy, so it gets people's attention to see your project or the content you have on there. The width is supposed to be 808 pixels and the height is supposed to be 632 pixels, just like I have here. As you can see, it's been selected and my width is showing 808 and 632. So make this your standard or your default size for whatever thumbnail you will be using. So if you have images you have designed before that should be, let's say, bigger or smaller than this size, all you just need to do is to scale them down to fit into this frame. And then the second frame should be the frame for your normal Behance posts, right? This is actually supposed to be 1400 pixels in width. And then for the height is actually optional. You could put in whatever, it depends on your content. Actually, your content might require a long height, or it just depends on your content. Actually, you could choose to bring all your designs under one frame, or you could just break them down in bits like I have here, like we'll be seeing later. This is how I actually made my designs. They're actually in bits in different frames, so it all depends on how you want it. So we're moving straight to the Behance. To create a project or to share your work, as you can see, you have create a project, you have share your work. They're actually the same thing, the same call to actions, they lead you to the same page. So let's just say we click on create a project. It takes you to a new page where you have varieties of options to just choose from whatever you want. Today we'll actually be dealing with images and text, so these are actually the two we'll be using. So I'll be giving it a text. The text should be like an intro, telling them what the design or project I'm making is all about. So would give us a text, right? Okay, before that, let me just show you guys what needs to be done. Let's say I have a design here. Okay, this is actually my thumbnail. This is the thumbnail we'll be using for this video. We have your thumbnail here. First thing you need to do is make sure you have all your designs exported into a particular folder in your device, so you don't get lost while you're looking for these images, because if you just save them anyhow, you'll be confused when you need to get a particular design to post. So I've actually created a folder titled Behance and put in all my designs there, so I just get to select all of them from one folder. So all you need to do is to export your designs. My frame is highlighted. I come to export. I'm exporting as a PNG format, and I would want to put this on 2x so the quality is very clear when I post. So I just need to click on export, and it tells me this. I click on save. I've actually saved them, that's why it's asking me to replace or cancel. So I just cancel because I have it saved already. So you could actually choose to even highlight all your designs, right, and post them, export them at once. Could come here, click on export, and it's showing export 18 layers. So if you click on export 18 layers, you have all the 18 frames in your folder. So since I have my designs already, we'll be going to Behance straight to post the work. First thing we need to do is to create a text, an intro text. I'm not too good with write-ups, so let's just say a panoramic view of a list of mobile applications I replicated, right? I think this is fine by me. I think, yeah. So for your text, you could either choose to this is fine by me. You could either choose to move them to the left, right, align actually. So let's just say I put this on align left, and then next thing I want to do is to create my posts by bringing in my images. So I click on images, and I have my folder here titled Behance. Like I said, I just open and have all the images I want. So it saves you time and stress. Let's say I have all the pictures on my device on one folder, you won't know where these pictures are. So once you have a folder, you just put all your designs. You could just highlight everything and open. So we just wait for it to upload. It's gonna take a little time because of the quality of these images, but okay, it's uploading already. Then one more thing, as you can see, if you notice, there are white spacings in between each frame. This is how Behance automatically brings in your designs. You have white spacings in between them, so it's left for you if you want to increase these white spacings, you want them to appear much more wider, or you want to reduce, or you want to close up the space. Now this is what to do. You come to this place where we have styles under edit project. You come to styles, and when you click on styles, you could do this while your designs are still loading itself. So you just come to styles, and you could either change the background color here. If you notice, it's white. Once you change, notice the color is changing. You could set it to whatever color you want it to be, but I want mine to be on white, so I just maintain my white in peace. So I bring my white here, and that is what we have. Then for the content spacing, it's actually the white spacing you have in between. You don't want it to appear at all. You could close it up. You could just close it up, or you could increase. The highest is 150 pixels. You could increase if you want to, but no, I don't want any white spacing, so I'm closing mine up, and then I save these settings. Then one more thing, I don't want my designs to appear in this format. Like, I don't want this very Twitter design to appear first, right? So I just come to any frame of my choice. If you notice, when you click on it, when you hover over each frame, don't even need to click. You have this edit button here. I hover over this, I have this edit button here. Same thing. So I just click on this blue and white edit button and click on reorder projects. So here I reorder my project with this hamburger menu I have here. I want this to come first, right after the text, so I bring it here. What else? I want this to follow up. I want this to follow up. Then which other design do I want to bring up here? Let's just say I'm arranging this in this format. This should come down, this should come up. Okay, let this come here, let this come, this should be the last. Yes, so I have this. So let's say this is how I want it to be arranged, and I click on save new order. Automatically it's now arranged the way I want it to, and there's no spacing, as you can see. So I just have my designs like this. And then the next thing I want to do is to go to settings. Now this is where we are going to change our cover image, which is our thumbnail size image that we have created. So I click on edit cover image, and then click on this, and I have that separated. Actually, this is what I'm using for my thumbnail. I wait for it to upload, and then once it's done uploading, you click on crop. This should show blue once it's done uploading. So let's just wait. Okay, so it's uploaded. You click on crop, and voila, you have it here. Then before you publish, you have to do some little settings. Give your project title a name. I would name mine mobile applications replica. Yeah, project tags. I want to add project tags. I just add things like design products, design products, product design. Let me just put mobile application, mobile app design. Okay, let me just use their suggested tags: user interface, UI UX, let's say Figma. Let me just use this Figma and user. That's all. So we just have that actually, since Figma is my design tool. Then you choose a project category. This should be product design. It's actually required. There's a required field. Your Behance visibility. You want everybody to see your post. You just click on everyone, or if you want it to be private, but I want everyone to see, so I leave it at everyone. Then if your post contains an adult content, click on this so they know how to restrict and all. Then here you could either choose to save as draft or publish. Saving as draft means you want to post it in the future. You don't want to post it now. You're just trying to get your designs ready for posting. Maybe doing it at your free time, and you just save as draft. Then you can also choose to publish. I think I'm done now. I really don't have anything to do again, so we just click on publish, and then it publishes your project on Behance. So this is my first official project on Behance. So to promote your work, you just copy your link. I've copied my link already. I'll post it somewhere else so I can share on maybe my LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, or Facebook page as required. You just share to your friends or share to your followers and tell them, okay, I uploaded the work on Behance and I want you to check it out, and they can access this particular project through your project link. So I come to my profile now, and let's see how it looks like from our thumbnail. So this is how it appears basically to everybody that comes to my page. It shows them this as a thumbnail, and when they click on it, it now shows them whatever I have on here. So basically that's how you upload your work on Behance. Thanks for staying with me. Till we see you next time. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, turn on post notifications so you can help promote my work. Thank you.